Hi YouTube, Edward Tyndall here. And to all the crazy people out there in the world who think that it's more important to go fight each other in public areas while collecting toilet paper as a survival tool in these so-called end times, I'm going to be feeding live rats. And my fans that matter like seeing this stuff, so if this is the last time I can feed live rats while it's the end of the world as we know it, then hey, so be it. So this is a video I'm going to title Feeding Animals as Nature Intended, because I am a producer of everything. I produce a lot of stuff. And I gotta get these animals ready for breeding and the toilet paper shortage of 2020. Sorry it's been so long since I put up a video, but I have had some issues with everything. Get up there. Get over there. This is gonna happen, or it's gonna happen. That's all there is to it, friends. I know this spider is hungry, so one thing we can do here is give it a fighting chance. This one likes frozen thawed. I'll leave that frozen thawed right there for her. I'm going to go to the next. For Pac-Man frog lovers, they like live roaches. So that's what they'll be getting. Some beautiful Pac-Man frog right there. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Get over there. See, animals are no different. They get in there, they don't go where you want them to go, when you want them to go, all that stuff. Oh, we got some eating going on here. That's my beautiful, lovely albino Pac-Man frog. Y'all please do like and share. Oh, hell of a time to do that. Like and share. Comment. I love reading you guys' comments. I'm behind on comments, but when I do get moments to sit down and read thousands of them at one time, I do so. And the pixie frog. And he swallows it whole like an egg roll. They're growing big. I haven't fed them too many times off cam without y'all. I have a few times, and I apologize for that. I know you all want to see them eating every single time. But I've been really busy. I'm doing what true survivors do during a hardship. I am growing gardens and worrying about that kind of stuff. You know what, that frog, just go at it and go at it. Are you kidding me, frog? I got that one off cam. Sorry about that. Can't win them all. Where the hell are you going? Don't jump on the table. Where the hell are you going? Get back in there. Look at this. Look what you're missing. There you go. Alright, y'all got to see a crazy pixie frog. Alright, all you rat lovers out there, about this many of them approximately are going to be fed off one right after another. My skillet head balls are going to start on live because shipping has stopped and fruit and stuff is not available, and that's not really the only reason, I guess, but because, well, this is the first live they've ever had, I guess. We'll see how they do. See how they do here. This is African soft furs, by the way. You got you a strike, and you missed. How the hell did you miss that? Okay. There's that. And I gotta help him a little bit and gotta mash that head a little bit. See, that's not a very slow kill or nothing. That's that one. Oh. Let's see, so that's a success. I only help them out when I think they're gonna hurt the snake because the rat's gonna die regardless. No sense in the snake to be hurt. But I'm getting these guys on African soft furs. A lot of ball python breeders don't like that because they're hard to come by, but hey, I got plenty of soft furs and these aren't going anywhere. These are all my personals. I'm popping out about 100 or 200 of these a week, so I got plenty. Hoppy little things. Trying to put some weight on my ball pythons. And this is what these eat in the wild, if y'all were wondering. It's exactly what they eat in the wild. Do not leave live prey items in with your snakes, people, because they will eat their ass alive. The rat will eat the snakes. Because it is an everything eat everything world we live in. And this one's not going to eat, so we'll put it to the side. A different area. We'll go to the next one. Here's some of my favorite ball pythons. They're awesome. I'm really looking forward to this whole awesome project I'm going to be doing here with these guys. I think they're getting a good view. I don't know if you are or not, but these rats don't know what's going on. They just have had a really good life, and then they serve their purpose here. I should get it from the front end, head first. Be the best way to do it. Head first, head first. Head first, head first. There you go. Yes, that's clean and nice. Clean and nice, and instantly. Oh, I said yes, pretty much instantly did. That's a good deal. Proud of you, buddy. Most of these are males. I only have one female in here. The female is right here, actually. She shed the other day. This girl's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Pastel skillet head. Pastel skillet head female. Come here, get off of here. See what she thinks about this. She's never seen a live rat before. When she does, she'll know something. And these are not too big for them. These are just taking things to the next level. Y'all will see these growing and growing and growing as time goes on. Sorry I haven't made very many videos. I might have already apologized to y'all for that. It's been really busy. I'm still really busy. It's 4 o'clock in the morning right now. And it being 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm still up doing this stuff. I've been feeding spiders and stuff like that off camera. I just made so many spider videos. Thinking about doing more survival videos for people, because a lot of people just don't know how things are supposed to be. I guess I can tell that the entire alien population that's been visiting us is going to see that we're failing as a human race when they see everybody rushing down the aisles for toilet paper when there's full aisles slapped full of soap and stuff to wash their ass with. Don't think about eating. It's mind-blowing to me. Wake up, America. If you're scared of that one, I can give you a smaller one. Yeah, this baby girl's trying to decide. She's never had an African soft fur or a live one, for that matter. I have a smaller one. Maybe I'll start her on a smaller one and see how she likes on a smaller one. Here, you want a smaller one? That one's a little bit smaller for you. And a hopper. A hopper. Maybe that, maybe that'll entice her a little more. I don't know. Or maybe she likes a little bigger one. That's cool. They're kind of like mouse hoppers at that age, at that size. If you don't like this little one, I don't know. There you go. Yeah, see? Just gotta be patient, people. And that's a success story there. If y'all want to see more survival type videos and how y'all can survive all this ordeal, you'll let me know. Let me know in the comments below. He's looking for food and he has no idea that it's right underneath him. Ooh. Really? And look, they know what to do, people. They just know. It is in their nature to know what I do with this spider. Yeah, that spider didn't get that rat, so we'll move on to a different spider. Let me see what we have here. We got plenty of spiders that are huge and need food. So here's the other female. I gotta get these pampos up to speed. When I have a spider that I don't want to eat, something that's already been pre-killed, so whatever. This other one, this is the Pampabia species McCullough. I'll be breeding her soon. I'll just lower this thing in here and see if she wants it. Shit. You want this thing or not? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You got this. You got this. You've dealt with a lot worse. You dealt with a lot worse. You got this. You got this. These are Pampabia species. They're like a chicken spider. They once it realizes it's got something good, or I can grab a hold of that, There's some fangs in it. Shouldn't be no problem. And I'm gonna leave that right there. I'll check on this girl later. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, love, and happiness, and all that good shit. If you want to see survival stuff and how you can make it to 2021, let me know in the comments below. Edward Tyndall and all these other Tyndalls out.